Hai, nama saya Hadi Wibawa.
Saya Brigita.
Nama saya Angie.
I'm currently studying chemical engineering at Imperial College London, and I'm on my penultimate year.
Sekarang saya ambil Material Science and Engineering tahun kedua di Imperial College London.
Biological Science di University College London.
I take chemical engineering because I think it was for very personal reasons. Growing up in Indonesia, I actually witnessed energy crisis, and chemical engineering allowed me to do just that.
Saya memilih material karena saya ingin mempelajari bahan-bahan yang tepat untuk merancang energy storage.
I chose Imperial to study my undergraduate because I think it is state-of-the-art technology. For example, during our group project, we can use the pilot plant in chemical engineering department. I think that is an opportunity that you can not find somewhere else.
Fasilitasnya bagus, guru-gurunya juga berdasarkan review juga bagus, dan dari student satisfaction reviewnya juga bagus. Jadi waktu itu saya pilih Imperial.
Saya waktu itu milih UCL karena emang UCL reputasinya kan oke, dan kemudian mereka punya fasilitas buat lab yang bagus.
I think the most exciting thing about Imperial is the societies. There are more than 300 societies that you can take part into. I joined Indonesian Society, for example, and I volunteer to teach at charity schools. So a lot of different things, and you meet different people along the way. So it was a great experience.
UCL itu mereka klubnya banyak banget. Kalau yang suka fotografi, suka nari, misalnya dia suka film, kayaknya ada deh ikut klub film.
Hal yang paling saya sukai dari London adalah diversity.
I love a lot of things about London. I think one of them is to embrace diversity.
Di mana saya bisa ketemu orang dari berbagai belahan dunia, di mana saya bisa dapat belajar tentang perspektif mereka dan juga menambah wawasan buat saya. Dan juga hal yang saya sukai dari London adalah museumnya, di mana gratis buat semua orang. Jadi kalau misalnya kita bosan, kita bisa ke museum gratis.
Taman dan museumnya itu oke banget. Jadi kayak tamannya gede, terus kayak kalau misalnya lagi spring bunganya pada keluar itu bagus banget, dan museumnya juga terawat dan rapi.
It's a very diverse city where you can meet people from different countries speaking different languages, and I also learned to be more open-minded, and I think it's a great thing. And the other thing is about opportunities. London provides you with a lot of career opportunities, volunteering opportunities. That there are many potential employers that will actually invite you to come to their headquarters, and chances are the headquarters are 40 minutes away. So it's a good experience.
Kalau pernah belajar di London, mungkin karena emang kotanya kota gede, jadi transportasinya relatif gampang sih. Jadi nggak usah ribet-ribet gimana. Kalau misalnya kebetulan harus pulang malam, bisa ada bus 24 jam.
Also, the benefit of studying in London, I think, is the way how you can balance your work and life. I know no doubt you will spend nights in libraries during weekends doing your projects, but at the same time, there are so many different kind of entertainments that you can do. The most difficult thing to be an international student is to be independent because you live pretty far from house. But I would say it is also an interesting opportunity that you can live on your own in the different countries, speaking a different language completely. So it was definitely tough in the start, but then it will become way better.
Saya kesulitan untuk catch up dengan pace pelajarannya, di mana pelajarannya diberikan dengan sangat cepat dan dosen-dosen mengharuskan kita untuk mengerti semua pelajaran dengan cepat juga.
Bahasa, jadi kan baru datang untuk gitu, terus kayak semuanya ngomong bahasa Inggris, jadi kayak pertama kali juga baca textbook Inggris tuh ini kok lama banget nggak nangkep, cuma akhirnya sih mendingan sih. Terus kan emang baru pindah di kota baru, jadi kayak agak biasa kayak orientasinya kurang, cuma nggak berapa lama lebih beradaptasi gitu.
So some tips for Indonesians who are still in Indonesia and thinking to go to London, I think just actively and take initiative to actually find an opportunity to come to London and grab it as soon as you have it. Because it is, like traveling in London is one thing, but being a student is a completely different thing. So I really strongly encourage you to come and be part of us.
Kalau misalnya emang kalian tertarik buat datang ke London, cek dulu tiap universitas itu syaratnya apa aja, kayak syarat Inggrisnya atau syarat kita punya syarat nilai, dan kamu pertimbangin kayak mau ngambil A-level atau foundation. Kalau misalnya pilih jurusan, cek dulu programnya apa. Jadi jangan cuma saya mau jurusan ini terus nggak ngecek mereka tuh programnya apa aja, karena mungkin tiap jurusan tiap universitas programnya lain-lain. Jadi kalau pilih modul yang
actually want to. So something that you're passionate about. So when you go to an interviews, you can talk endless about it.
Dan jangan mepet kalau saya ngurus visa atau apa jangan terlalu mepet. Jadi nggak ada masalah.
Pesan-pesan saya selama belajar di London adalah saya merasa lebih semangat dibandingkan dulu waktu saya belajar di Indonesia. Mungkin karena di sini saya melihat orang-orang lain juga semangat dan semangat mereka itu mantap menyerah.
My experience living in London is amazing, I'll say, because I meet so many different people and it's a very fast-paced environment like the city itself is, and it just introduced me to a lot of new different things. If you see something new on the news about technology, chances are you can find it on the stores the next day. So yeah, I really love living in this very fast-paced city life.